Hey, this is Eric with the ABCs of FPV. Just getting done working one of my jobs and brought my stuff with me. I was going to sneak in the flight before I left. Finishing up a landscape. In case you're wondering, working on the patio. That's him, Scott, working real hard over there. But we're going to do a quick flight here before we head home for the night. Alright, I'm back. Forgot my transmitter. Need to have that. Kind of important to fly. So we should be ready to go. Whoop, into the tree. Nice. Into the tree. Alright, we found it. Probably got poison ivy now, but oh well, it was worth it. Do one more quickie. Whoa, that was close. I am the master. Oh. All right. That's all I got time for. One quick flight. Maybe on Saturday. I'll put on the goggles when I'm not quite as sweaty.